Namaskar and hello everybody. How are you all doing today? Hi, this is Anita Ajaypai, your tarot card reader from Mumbai. Here I come again with another spread for the coming week starting from May 10th, 2020 to the 16th May 2020. So here I have a spread of three different cards, three different angels. So group 1 has the rose quartz, group number 2 is carnelian, and group number 3 is lemon quartz. Please, I request all of you to kindly meditate for a second or so and then see which angel you are getting connected with, which group is resonating with your intuition. I request you all to kindly select the cards out from your intuition. So please select it and go forward to have a look at what's there in store for you this week. Group number 1, rose quartz. So let's see, people who have selected group number 1, rose quartz, what's there in store for you this week. Mother Earth, surrender to effortlessness, integrity, Goddess guidance says boundaries, and we are the world. Wow, this is beautiful. All the cards are so beautifully resonating each other. They're connected with each other. Okay, so the cards are so beautifully connecting with each other. We are the world, Mother Earth. So if you can really see, both these cards are so connecting with each other. Mother Earth, this is the Earth Chakra card. This is saying that you have to integrate yourself with Mother Earth. You have to heal yourself. Be a part of the Mother Earth to heal her, to heal your energies, to heal your relationship with Mother Earth, to heal your relationship with your own mother, or if you are a mother, then heal yourself as a mother. And we are the world. This card clearly says that wherever you are, whoever you are, if you believe in having that happiness, dancing and singing with joy in the divine's name, you will find a reason to celebrate. You don't have to have a reason to celebrate. You can just celebrate the nature. You can celebrate your living. You can celebrate your being. You can celebrate your happiness, your joy, everything. When all of us, the thousands of people celebrating around, do you think there'll be any problem with Mother Earth? Yes, I totally connect this card with this particular period which the entire world is seeing. We all are going through tough times, right? But the positive side, the amazing positive side is the Mother Earth is healing. She is healing so beautifully. We are feeling the freshness in the air. We are seeing so many changes. We no longer are materialistic, right? We are very happy. We are connected with our family. We are celebrating the joy of living. We are being together and enjoying. Let's spend some more time for Mother Earth and enjoy the nature. And when I'm saying this, the other card which came up is integrity. This clearly indicates that whatever you are saying, whatever you're listening to me particularly now, please follow that. You don't only have to just listen to it and leave it around, but please follow it. I shall also follow this. I'm somebody who always love to be with Mother Nature and heal myself round the clock, because we have to heal ourselves on a daily basis, just like the way we do our daily routine stuff, because we end up meeting so many energies which can either harm us or which can cause any kind of discomfort to us. That's the reason we got to heal ourselves, and we have to do it with complete effortlessness. So surrender to effortlessness. We have the ability of healing ourselves, and we have the ability of loving ourselves. So when we love ourselves, we do it effortlessly. We do it with a lot of integrity. We are connected with everybody, and so the mother gets healed up. Relationship with Mother Earth gets healed. So we can see integrity says you demonstrate the truth and honesty of your soul, and manifest love with your every action. So when you walk the talk, that is when you actually get what you are looking for, and do it with absolute ease, do it with complete happiness, do it with complete effortlessness. Stop pushing so hard. The art of living means going with the flow instead of trying to force the river, and you can easily do it by pushing the boundaries. Love yourself enough to say no to others' demands on your time and energy. So this very clearly says, when you love yourself, you value yourself, and you value the time, and you value the energies you perceive, and so you definitely distribute the same energies to your near and dear ones, and each and every soul shares those energies, and then you become the world by being with Mother Earth and healing yourself. So the affirmation I would like to give here is, my heart beats as one with the healing vibration of Mother Earth. My heart beats as one with the healing vibration of Mother Earth. Let's stay with this affirmation for this week. Enjoy, everybody, and happy healing and happy life ahead for this week. Thank you so much. Okay, people, with group number 2, that's Carnelian Angel. Let's see what's in store for you all. Turning in, fairness, discernment, surrender to the magic you are. Okay. And comes determination. Okay, so turning in, determination, discernment. If I have to really explain all of this, if you see this woman just closing her eyes and letting all the people talk, and she is not bothered about what they are talking, who is making faces, who is laughing, who is blaming, who is judging, she is absolutely not bothered about anything. What she is bothered is about her own self. What she is looking in is how she is just bothered about what she likes to do. She is just keeping her eyes closed, and she is just in that moment where she really knows how to manifest, where she really understands what's important for her in life. Being in the meditative form gives you that calmness, gives you that powers to keep your mind aside and not irritate you, because when your mind is super active, it keeps giving you a lot of thoughts, which brings in a lot of misery. Because when you start thinking about who says what, or when you're worried about what's happening in the life, what's happening around the world, it only brings misery to you. It brings a lot of judgments in life. So the best thing to do is just turn in, just be in yourself, just be in that calm state of mind where you do not have to align yourself with anybody. That's what discernment means. You are developing the skill to distinguish love from fear and truth from illusion. So you are not in that world where you have to sit and worry about what's going to happen, where you have determined yourself that you are going to be aligned with the journey of your soul path. Discernment doesn't mean necessarily that you are judging yourself or you're judging anybody, but it's just that you are completely in your own self, where you value what is important for you to go ahead, to move ahead in your soul journey, in your unique soul path journey. That is more important than any of these people who are only there to sit and judge you and do nothing. So that's why there is this card also which says, surrender to the magic of who you are. We all have magic in us, even in the mundane aspects of life. Remember that you are a magical being with a uniqueness and worth that come from just being you. So you have to just be you. You have to just align yourself to the unique soul path you are in, and just be determined on what you want to follow, and not bothered about what people are saying, because the universe, goddess, guidance are very, very clear that they are saying this situation will be handled in a fair and a just manner. So it's not on your part to sit and think, will this be justice? Will there be anything? Should I have to do anything? There's nothing for you to bother. What you have to worry, or what you have to really think, or what you have to really manage to do is surrender yourself to the magic you are, and be determined and focus on your journey ahead of your unique soul path. So the affirmation I would like to give you is, I am an unstoppable being of love and determination. I am an unstoppable being of love and determination. So till next week, enjoy, be the magic you are. Do not bother what people are saying. Just be in yourself. When you keep yourself calm, when you do not bother about what your mind is giving, when you just treat it as like somebody else, then you can easily absorb the meditation, the power of meditation, and you'll really enjoy this calm state of mind. Thank you so much. Take care. Okay, finally, group number 3, people who have selected Lemon Scots or group number 3. Let's see what's in store for you guys this week. Flexibility, surrender to wonder and awe, unity, true love, aloneness. Okay. Aloneness. This card, like the picture you see, most of them confuse aloneness with loneliness. So loneliness is where you are completely lonely and you don't have anybody around you. You don't have even you around you. But aloneness is where you have too much of yourself around you. You are within yourself. You have to be your own sunshine. You are somebody who can bring in love, who can bring in happiness and joy by just being yourself. You might have a lot of connections, a lot of soul connections. All of us do have a lot of soul connections. It's not limited only to one particular birth. It goes on and on. It's a reincarnation circle. So here, what the master is saying is, by being alone, you discover your true self. You realize what your worth is. You can be the one who you always wanted to be. When you have too much of love within you, you're always spreading love around. When you spread a lot of love around, you become the wonder of the world, where you are open to the magic of every moment and sense the awe and wonder in all of life. This attitude will keep you connected to the ecstasy of the flow. And when you are in an amazing flow, you tend to be flexible. So flexibility comes only when you have that flow in yourself, when you are ready to accept the way things are coming your way. You are just going with that flow of journey. You are not bothered, you're not bogged upon what the world is doing, what is happening around you. What you know is you are magic, you are wonder. By being yourself, you have realized that you are your own sunshine, and this will keep you united. This will give you that happiness of love with your soul, where you not only spread love to yourself by being the love you are, but you also will spread the love around the world. So you understand that the love shared with another is amplified and has rippled effect across the universe. And this, the moment universe realizes you are giving a lot of love and you are somebody who's really wishing to have that love come back, you will get that true love of your life. The romantic strings in your heart have propelled the universe to deliver great love to you. So this week I'm seeing most of the cards to all the other groups as well was a lot about self-love, about spreading love, being the world, being together and all of it. And here again the same stuff which is repeating today. So the complete message in the entire video for every group, in short, is just believe and see the magic you are, what you can create in your life just by being the love, just by being that happiness, just by being you. Just be you, be happy, and be amazing, so that you can spread lot of sunshine, lot of love, and lot of joy and happiness to the universe. And just be in that flexibility, be in the flow. So the affirmation I would like to give you all is, I am free flowing and flexible. I am free flowing and flexible. So, my dear friends, I sincerely request all of you to love yourself, to spread love, to spread the joy, so that the universe is forced to give you the true love you all really, really deserve and desire and wish to be with. So enjoy till next week. Have a lovely, lovely week ahead. Thank you so much. Okay, and for all those who are still waiting for the one card read, let's see what's there for this week. It's peace. Okay, so this card clearly says that there is no need to worry, as everything is working out beautifully. So who have watched the entire video, they will surely relate to this card pretty well. It's all about self-love and being the love you can be and spreading the happiness. So when you spread that happiness by being the love with absolutely no judgments, with absolutely happiness and love and only love, there will be a lot of peace in the world, and everything will be taken care of, and you will be responsible to spread that peace in the world, because universe will always help those who help themselves. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.